So today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your new DJI Neo drone from DJI. So let's get started. In the first step, you have to download an app on your phone. Name of the app is DJI Fly. So let's go here. My dad downloaded and let's see. We'll write DJI because I don't know how to write fly. And here it is, DJI Fly. I'll just press to this.com and here we are. You just need to press to this cube. Now you select your drone. Well, I have DJI Lotto, but we're going to be selecting DJI Neo. Now you turn on your drone with this power button. Now when you see this is loading, you just need to make sure that Dexcaway is found. You'll see this DJI Neo, and when you press on it, it will start loading. I'll press to join because this is going to be good. Now when this drone is going to be really exciting, guys. And now it will show us the .com. I already got the rules, but wait a minute. Follow. Now we'll just go to this. Now just flip it like this. Oh, can I keep it here? No, Daddy, not like that. Like that. Now I'll show you how to launch your drone. You see this button? You just need to press on it and press the takeoff so your drone will launch. Let's go. You see this? You have to press this button. This will help you select photos or videos. And this takeoff button means to take off. And up here you can see this level of the battery. Well, it's showing us 63. It will just take a half an hour for it to be fully charged. So just know about that. Download this app of this. Well, I'm happy that you really like it. So, and now I'm gonna be showing you how to close your drone.
What?
So you're supposed to turn it off. And when you turn it off, the camera of the drone will turn off. You see? Now it will show you that. And if you want to go back, just press on this.